How to change the steam boiler safety thermostat in a pl92t. First of all, we have to remove the top cover of the machine, and we need a T20 Torx screwdriver or key. I have to unscrew 3 screws and I remove the top cover. Okay, as we can see, the safety thermostat are these two, and practically we have to unscrew this and this nut. I need a 7mm key screwdriver. I unscrew the first. Pay attention to not the first, in this case also the second. Now I remove the fasten. Now I have to reinstall the new one. I reinstall the fasten. 1, 2, the support, install the thermostat. Now I have to, first of all, the washer again, and second the nut. I use this tool because it's easier nut, and I locked. Now I have to do the same with the second. The first and also the second, and also the second. Remove. I can have this is an old machine, very old. The new support keep, for example, this is the old. I have 2 nuts because I have 2 thermostat, 1 and 1 2. The new machine have this support is practically the same, and it's easier to remove because you have only 1 nut and only 1 washer. In this case, the new one you install in this way, and it's easier to remove. And nothing. I install the second. I've changed the thermostat. Again, in this case the wire. Now again, before the washer, keep, because it's I don't know if you can see. Okay, in this way you can see. Okay, I have to do the same with the second thermostat. Before the washer, and the second after the washer the nut. I unscrew it a little bit. When the thread starts, I can lock the nut. Okay, this is the safety thermostat. This is the anti-vacuum valve, temperature sensor for the PID, and this is the water level probe. And this is the safety. This is the safety valve. I have to reinstall the top cover of the machine. This I have to do this in this way. Okay, now I have to these two screws is already inside. I have to screw this. First, second, check if the top cover is properly inserted, and okay, now we can try if the machine works properly.